Friends, hello, I hope you are well. Let's make a quick little video here about Nano Dimension and what we have seen here. So obviously, if you've been keeping up with me with Nano, I am very bullish on Nano, but I'm bullish in the sense of this is going to take a little bit of time. And since I even talked about Nano last time, obviously, if you live on planet Earth, a lot has been going on, and here's a Skippy to break down probably what we're going to see here with Nano Dimension. So the past of what we've seen here this year is that Nano has actually had a banging year. They've had a rocking year here. Their balance sheet has been straightened out. They have cash flow. I'm going to put stuff up here so you can read it, but it's nothing that I haven't showed you before or said, but Nano is actually, they're coming back. They took a huge hit during COVID. They've had a huge change in board members, CEOs, the whole bit. But they have started to really have a fantastic year here, and really this is looking good going into next year, and that's really, I think, where a lot of us stand with, you know, what we're looking forward to here, what's going to happen in the future with Nano, and can they keep this cash flow going? My biggest concern with Nano this whole year, and I was saying this even 5 months ago when Nano was playing around this $3, trying to even get to a $3.50 range off of these the last quarterlies that we saw that were really good. Nano had a big spike because it beat expectations like crazy. People thought it was going to go down the dumps. It was even already falling apart before quarterlies because so many people were betting against it. The bears were just out for it. But since then, Nano has been able to stay in these high 2 range. On a really good day, it'll hit a 3. And we should obviously finish out the rest of the year somewhere in this high $2 range. And the last quarterly to round off this year and show what has happened totally, it will be a good quarterly, for the remaining of the year and everything that happened. So we're expecting that for 2023 to be a good year for Nano. Now, the question with that and the problem that we are coming across here is that what is this market going to bring to us with a lot of our penny stocks, young stocks? And obviously, I don't want to address too much with what's going on in the East. Obviously, there's stuff going on all around the world right now. I'm trying not to get in trouble with YouTube, but there's a lot of terrible things that are going on, and obviously I think a lot of that is going to catch up to our market here in the North America market, and it's going to spill over in the European market here very soon, more than it has already. So we have actually been very fortunate and very lucky with this market that it has not taken a turn. A lot of people are speculating. This is going through all the chat rooms, through every big investor firms that are starting to talk. Gas right now is decent, but a lot of people are expecting that gas overnight could get out of hand if things were to really progress in the Middle East right now. So that is one thing that could cripple the market, but obviously too, I think a lot of people might be pulling their money out of a lot of stocks and putting it into stocks like BP, Exxon, things like that, companies that are pulling oil out of that region. So gas stocks could potentially shoot up here if things really heat up here in the Middle East. So friends, getting back to Nano Dimension, like I said, my hope and my prayer right now is that Nano survives whatever this market is going to bring. We're halfway point into October. We've got November, December will more than likely definitely be a washout. We'll probably have a good week or two starting off, and then people are going to be selling their bags, are going to be putting money elsewhere and getting ready for the new year and their taxes, and that's going to be a wrap for 2023 with the market. So Nano Dimensions, the hope and the prayer here, bulletin on the board here, writing on the wall, is that we want Nano Dimension just to remain at this high $2 range going into the new year and finish out with this last quarterly, putting the whole year in perspective of what's happened and what's going to be happening in 2024. I really don't have much more to say that I haven't covered with Nano Dimension. I do think they are in a great spot going into the new year. I am very excited about what's going on in 2024 here. They are piling money into their company right now, and if you're reading this is a lot of what they're doing. They are trying to, while they have money, they are pushing it into their technology, their company, and broader, and really trying to expand themselves as a company and their technology. So these are always good things and what you want. They're just slow moving. They're not exciting. They're not sexy, and they kind of just bore the majority of investors that are looking for a fast, moving stock. And right now, Nano Dimension is just not really in that spectrum right now. So friends, I love Nano Dimension. I am hopeful that they will continue to do well into this year and end the year at a good spot. Friends, best of luck to you out there, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.